Good morning, everyone. This is the first video of my channel called Medesign. So, I think the main point of this channel is in the name. I like to review the design of different types of medical devices, different types of biotechnology, whether it's mechanical or chemical or computational. I'm going to try to learn a lot because I am really into all the different types of innovations in the biotech field. So I don't know too much, and I made this channel to help me grow and to become more knowledgeable in this field. And today, for my first video, I'm going to be doing something simple but interesting. So hope you enjoy it. So for the first episode, I got Snoring, and apparently this device is supposed to eliminate your snoring or help fix your snoring. So I guess let's just open it up and see what's in here. Okay, so looks like a mouth guard with a little mesh. You got two canisters or something, and the travel case. So I guess that's all that's in here. What's in here? It's some type of slime or something. I thought I knew what was going to be in here, and again, some type of slime. This is very interesting stuff. One blue, one white, one for day, one for night, and you got your main grill. So I messed up a little bit, and I thought I would get the actual mouthpiece that would already be moldable, but I found out what these two things do. For all you material science people out there, these two things are two different types of polymers, and what I have to do is, this is really unsanitary. I did not clean my desk before this. I'm supposed to mix both these up into one light blue polymer. I guess color's supposed to mix up. It's cool design and shit, but it needs to fully mix. A little bit of white left. A little bit of white, but for the most part it's kind of toned out a little bit. Maybe a few more seconds of this. Okay. It's supposed to roll into one long piece, right? Now, this is the grill right here, and I'm gonna take half of this, put it on the top half, and take one half, the other half, put it on the bottom. And I'm gonna put it in my mouth, and it's gonna create some type of, I guess, outline for my teeth. And then I guess I send it off to the company and get back my results for a customized grill, which is crazy. So just do that. Break in half like that. And I gotta spread it across this grill right here. Like so. Smooth it out a little bit like that, and then the second half I'm going to put on the other side. Flipped it over. Just Play-Doh essentially. I don't know. And there we go, like that. I'm very unsure about putting this in my mouth, but I don't know, maybe I'll get a customizable snoring thing, and that could maybe fix my snoring. So next, I put this in my mouth. Now I put this polymer into my mouth and keep it for 4 minutes. So I'm gonna do that right now and enjoy, I guess. So this is very gross, but here is, I guess, the results after 4 minutes of letting the mold set. So I guess here are the, here you can see are the results. You can see my dental records, I guess. The mold, very gross, but very detailed on the other side, bottom half. Right here. So I'm going to ship this off to the lab and hopefully get results in the next few weeks then. I feel bad that the finished product was not there, because that's not what I had promised you guys at the beginning of the video. So I'm gonna just, I guess, make it up to you guys and show you a little presentation of how it works when I expect to get it. So get ready. So this is a cross section of someone sleeping, and you can see the arrows over there. These blue arrows right here are supposed to model air coming in or out. So you can see this long gray strip coming down right here. I know it's not the best display, but right here, right? That's called the soft palate. And sometimes with some people who tend to snore, whether it's, obesity or whether it's just the shape, the way their mouth is shaped, sometimes the soft palate will block this airway and air can't get through properly. So that causes snoring because the soft palate actually ends up vibrating, which causes the snoring noise, and it vibrates in order to let the air pass in and out, and that's what creates the snoring. So if you ever were wondering, it is basically the vibration of some type of tissue of the soft palate which causes the snoring that we all hate, So with this mouth guard, sorry, not mouth guard, but with the Snorex, it's supposed to push your lower jaw forward a little bit. So push this up, and what that will do is create enough space in your airway where the soft palate isn't completely blocking the air getting through. Thus, the soft palate won't vibrate because the air has enough space to get through. Oh my gosh. So, if the air has enough space to get through, then no vibration, no snoring. Ta-da! Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for everyone for tuning in for my first video. I hope there's many more in the future, and I'm excited to keep reviewing more devices and more innovations, and hopefully, this industry keeps growing and there's many more and more interesting things to do, and I hope you guys enjoyed and that I can use my channel to help many people in the future, and stay awesome. Have a great day.